EMCO IT Systems is empowering e-commerce business with custom solution. Have you ever thought of selling online? Yes, but you don't know where to start? EMCO IT Systems, your partners for e-commerce solution. We know the secret of building successfully e-commerce business for initial consultation. We have expertise in custom themes, content development, extension development, and third-party API extensions integration. Technical support and website maintenance. We don't just build websites, but we nurture our clients with important modules. Inventory management, order processing, customer management, and marketplace management. We offer solution to our clients to manage their online store in an efficient way. Our project management crew and analytic experts ensure each website built by us is optimized to maximize conversions from your marketing campaigns. Our project management crew and analytic experts ensure each website built by us is optimized to maximize conversions from your marketing campaigns. It has user-friendly dashboard, simple checkout process, and easier to integrate with shipping. We have flexible business model, which will fit as per your shoe. We have our mobile application, which will be very useful for the customers. We have a dedicated team. Our Z stores, easy to set up. SEO and marketing, store management, easy to manage, exceptional security, top-notch support. We provide our services monthly, quarterly, and yearly. We have non-disclose agreements with you and your clients' data. We also provide white label services. We grant you your client privacy. Our strengths are our qualified professionals. We have Google Analytics certified team. Let us help to achieve your goals.